name is Lancaster Danswa from St. John's Grammar. I am here at Lancaster University for AI and the robotics classes. So far, I'm enjoying how everything is going. The teachers are free, and the people we work with, they are all free. And then our project work is a baby suiting machine, which will send notification to a mother and to suit a baby whenever the baby cries.
My name is Caleb Jamfo. I'm from Belang International School. My experience here has been very nice. The teachers are very good. I've learned a lot of new things here. ESB 32, stuff like that. Yeah. I'm working on a facial recognition system for classes. So when you get to the class door, you show your face to the sensor, then it's logged in the time you came in and stuff like that. Yes. Thank you.
My name is Karen Ayram, and I'm from St. John's Grammar, and my experience here has been so fun and exciting. We are working on a project called a weather station when detects the weather when it comes. So thanks to KGL Foundation and Lancaster University Ghana for this experience. It has been fun.